Shooting locations, Bollywood movies. Hello and welcome to I Say Kids, a channel for the kid within all of us who wishes to know today some of the beautiful locations where the very entertaining industry, Bollywood, has shot some amazing scenes. In these corona times, we can't roam around much, right? On weekends, when we want to go out and see the world, the best we can do is sit back and binge watch. I was doing the same when I was absolutely smitten by the beautiful locations of the movie I was watching. I instantly wanted to find out where was it shot, and I realized that my viewers would be interested in this stuff too. So, here I am with these cool and beautiful locations from some of the famous movies. Enjoy! Before we start, I would want to make a special mention of the famous Bollywood director Yash Chopra, who shot so many movies near the lake Alpenroj that the lake has been christened as Chopra Lake. Let's begin with the blockbuster and epic film DDLJ, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, released in 1995. DDLJ set the standards of romance and romantic films so high, very few films have been able to get close to recreating that magic on screen. The iconic scene from the film, when Simran is walking away. Raj tells himself that she will definitely look back if she loves him. There goes Palat, Palat, Palat. And Simran looks back at him that one time and goes away. Do you know the name of this bridge? Well, this is Sanan Bridge in Switzerland. By the way, by the same name goes a Swiss goat, Sanan goat, which is the most productive milk goat of Switzerland. Anyways, moving on. Let's talk about some other locations from the film too. Lake Interlaken is where Raj apologizes to Simran. A very cute scene, isn't it? Interlaken is a fantastic base for seeing the best of central Switzerland's magnificent scenery. Tourist attractions are all around it, with boat tours on Lakes Thun and Brems at either side of the town, and thrilling train and funicular rides to the spectacular surrounding mountain peaks. Do you remember the scene where Simran misses her train? That scene is from a small train station of Jaisalmer, near Gastad. This quaint village of Jaisalmer lies in a wide valley floor and is one of the 10 villages which constitutes the Gastad destination. The Rinderberg cableway leads up directly from the village center to the largest section of the Gastad winter sports region, which makes it the ideal starting point for extended skiing experiences in winter and for walks in summer. The movie has also been shot in London and Punjab, India. Our next one is PK, the cute alien movie of 2014. PK is the first Bollywood production that is shot in Belgium. The picturesque center of Bruges, recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage, appears to be the ideal setting for the film. This place where PK is shot is represented by three B's: Bruges, Belgium, and beautiful. The cast of the film absolutely loved the beautiful location of Bruges. The brilliant actor Sushant Singh Rajput, gone too early, still lives in the heart of his fans. Here are some of the scenes from the very romantic, my personal favorite song, Char Kadam. The breathtakingly beautiful city of Bruges is made up of canals. The Bruges-Apen Canal is a 24.6-kilometer long canal in Flanders, Belgium. The canals have for centuries been the veins of the city, winding through Bruges and treating you to another magnificent view around every bend. Also called as Rosary Canal, it is the city's most popular spot for photography, a centuries-old Instagrammable hotspot. Once upon a time, rosaries were sold here. Today, it provides one of the city's loveliest views. The greenery, the Green Canal, is the most romantic. It is lined with trees and creepers, elegant 17th century mansions and almshouses, topped by the cathedral tower. The greenery is a part of stream that runs through the heart of Bruges. Tucked away at the southern end of Bruges is the beautiful area known as Minwater. The centerpiece is the Lake of Love and Lovers Bridge. No wonder this place was chosen by the director for shooting such a romantic song. Tiger Zinda Hai is a 2017 Indian Hindi language espionage action thriller film. The entire film is shot at different locations. Morocco, Greece, Abu Dhabi, India, and the very beautiful Austria. The very romantic song that set the standards of romance so high has been shot at various locations, all very beautiful, of Austria. Giraud, Prexma, Kainatal, Hofgasse, Innsbruck. The biggest highlight of the song was this 20 by 20 feet portrait of Katrina on a frozen lake in the Alps of Austria. Covered in snow, are these not absolutely stunning? Another beautiful location of Austria is Hallstatt. Do you know of any movie that was shot here? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you are liking the video, please hit the like button too. Released in 2015, Tamasha is about the journey of someone who has lost his edge in trying to follow acceptable conventions of the society. The film is based on the central theme of abrasion and loss of self that happens in an attempt to find oneself. Absolutely love the songs of this movie. The cute song Matargashti is shot on this famous King Aragon stairs. It is a stony staircase carved into a vertical side of a limestone cliff in the commune of Bonifacio in Corsica, France. Any guesses how many steps are there? Well, it cuts across the face of the cliff at a near 45-degree angle and is comprised of 187 steps. Some part of the same song is shot in the Museum Cafe of Bastille, which is the principal port of the island and its principal commercial town, and is especially famous for its wines. Corsica definitely looks like a must-visit place to me. Moving on to the next one. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. A 2010 release, it is a story of three friends who turned their fantasy vacation into a reality and learn to overcome their fears and live life to the fullest. A movie that is fun as well as an inspiration. The film featured the Costa Brava beach where Abhay Deol decided to go deep sea diving. It is here that the trio meets Katrina Kaif's character Laila. The Costa Brava beach is truly a paradise on earth. The golden sandbanks, crystal clear waters, and charming seaside villages are truly a sight to behold. Buñol is a town that is located in the province of Valencia. This is the location where the trio and Katrina Kaif meet Laila's friend Nuria. The film showcased the famous La Tomatina festival that is celebrated in Buñol in the month of August. The song Ik Junoon, which featured the La Tomatina festival, makes several shake a leg even today. In Seville, Arjun challenges the boys to take up skydiving. What makes Seville an apt destination for skydiving is the great views from above. The trio also enjoys a flamenco show, a typical Spanish dance and music form. This dance sequence was shot in Andalusian town Alhajr, about 100 kilometers from Seville. Know about the famous flamenco dancer Carmen Amaya in our video link given above. The last scene of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was shot in the city of Pamplona. Here the three best friends participate in the Bulls Festival San Fermin. While the scene kept audiences at the edge of their seats, it is interesting to know that such a festival actually takes place in Spain. This festival is generally celebrated in the first week of July. This festival is being celebrated for about 100 years and it hosts about 1 million participants. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is not complete without the mention of this beautiful poem. ये जो गहरे सन्नाटे हैं, वक्त ने सबको ही बांटे हैं. थोड़ा गम है सबका किस्सा, थोड़ी धूप है सबका हिस्सा. आंख तेरी बेकार ही नम है, हर पल एक नया मौसम है. क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है. It means these deep silences are part of everyone's life. Some grief, some sunshine is everyone's part of life. Why are you sad? Things would better soon. Don't lose these beautiful moments. Don't cry, my dear friend. Thank you, Bollywood, for entertaining us. At the same time, I would also like to mention the real heroes in life who rose above the difficulties and all the excuses and shone bright. Know about such inspiring series in our playlist, ICKids Inspiration Time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We are also keen to hear from you, so do write to us in the comment section or on our email ID ickids.yt@gmail.com. Meanwhile, be kind, make healthier choices, and keep learning, keep watching IC Kids. Bye-bye.